guys, and welcome to Filmy Mantra. This is Nikita, and today we have a legendary actress and her beautiful daughter. We are talking about none other Salma Agaji and her daughter Zara Khan. Hi, both of you, and welcome to Filmy Mantra.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us.
So, how's your life so far?
Fine, fun, big
Good,
fun.
good.
Yes.
End of the year now, so hoping 2017 will be even better.
All right. So, any New Year plans so far?
Well, we're going to be together. That's what we do.
Yes, that's the biggest plan. Families together on New Year. What else can you ask for?
So, how's your life journey started into career, like acting, into Bollywood?
Well, mom's been in the film line for a very long time. Then before that, my grandmother was into films, my great-grandmother was into films, and my great-grandfather.
So she is the fourth generation.
Wow.
Yes,
Yeah.
carrying out the legacy of our family.
Yeah, so it's obviously it's something which it's in the blood, and I love doing. So I'm very happy and blessed that I love doing it, and especially I belong to a family, so you get a platform and a good guidance.
All right, and we can see her beautiful long hair. The Bollywood have tagged Rapunzel. Wow. How do you maintain yourself with long hair?
Oh my god, that's one question everybody asks me, and I really don't know how to answer it because I actually don't do anything to my hair. There's no oil or there's no secret, nuska or something that I have कि भाई ये लगा लो तो your hair will be very good or very long. I think it's God's blessing.
हाँ, इसमें इन्होंने अपनी मदर का जिक्र नहीं किया हाँ, ये इतने लंबे बाल हुए कैसे? The journey, how did that begin? Ask me as a child. जब इतने लंबे बाल हों, इसके बाल घुटनों से भी नीचे हैं. How they have to be maintained? Wow, I'm a good mother. That's all I can say.
Well, we can see this because all credit goes to your lovely mom.
Yeah, when I was, I think, about 5 years old, so every few weeks she would like shave my head. So I was a very bald child.
गंजा बच्चा.
Yeah, and obviously that makes your hair growth very thick. So thus when I grew up, I had like good
really
long
worked
thick
hard
hair.
in it.
So मेरा question आपसे है कि आप कहाँ से belong करती है originally?
My parentage goes back to Amritsar. My paternal maternal side जो है वो हम लोग सब अमृतसर से हैं. नाना नानी की तरफ से भी, दादा दादी की तरफ से भी, सब अमृतसर से हैं. मम्मी जो है वो वहाँ सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल है वहाँ पढ़ी हैं. और ग्रैंडफादर मेरे जिनका नाम है जुगल किशोर मेहरा, ही इज़ अ फाउंडर मेंबर ऑफ ऑल इंडिया रेडियो. सबसे पहले उन्होंने जो स्टेशन बनाया दिल्ली का, वो भी उन्होंने बनाया जुगल किशोर मेहरा ने. फिर ट्रांसमीटर जो इंडिया का रेडियो का विविध भारती का था, वो सबसे पहले कश्मीर में रखा गया था, वो भी उन्होंने रखा. और वो राज कपूर के मामा जी थे. लाइक हमारे नाना और उनकी राज कपूर की नानी सगे बहन भाई हैं.
So there's something connection between Kapoor family.
जी, वो पृथ्वीराज कपूर उनके बहन के बेटे थे. सो इस तरह हर तरफ से ही इट्स ऑल लाइक फिल्म फैमिली. और माय रूट्स ऑफ कोर्स आर हियर वेरी मच इन इंडिया.
So how socially active you are on that social networking site?
I'm there on Instagram and Twitter, but I'm not there on Facebook, which a lot of people keep complaining about that, you should be on Facebook. But hopefully maybe soon I'll be on Facebook. Right now it's Instagram and Twitter, mostly Instagram. I'm like really, really active on Instagram because I love taking pictures and selfies and just, letting everybody who's, supportive towards me and my fans and friends and everybody, to kind of have an insight on my life.
All right, so we'll just play a short game rapid fire. So let's get started. Salman or Shah Rukh?
Oh God.
Question.
I know what she's gonna answer, but Salman.
All right. Coffee or tea?
Coffee, black coffee.
Insta or Twitter?
Insta. Pictures say more than words.
All right, so we'll just play another short game, tongue twister. Let's get started. All right, so आपको बोलना है कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़.
Okay, so kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad.
Nice.
She's a singer और सिंगर होने के लिए आपकी उर्दू और तलफ़ुज़ बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, इसलिए आप इसको इसमें नहीं उलझा सकते शील्डेन।
She'll give me a tougher one. Don't challenge her.
Alright, जैसे आपके मम ने कहा कि आप सिंगिंग भी करती है एंड वेरी गुड वॉइस यू हैव, सो एक झलक हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए.
Of course. What would you like me to sing?
Any favorite song, and especially I love your mom's song, Rava Rava. Wow, it's beautiful song. Yes, please. It will be great fun.
Of course. So 2 lines we'll sing from Fiza.
Just 2 lines.
Alright.
Okay. I'll start behind you. How can I?
फ़ज़ा भी है जवां जवां, हवा भी है रवां रवां, सुना रहा है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सिदा सिदा, फ़िज़ा भी है जवां जवां.
Inshallah. Wow, lovely voice till now. You know, she's so evergreen.
We really have in common, और हम लोगों का बहुत वक्त गुजरता है, because music is something जो उलझा के रखती है, और there is no end to learning. It's like the sea.
इस फिल्म के दरमियान कोई मतलब यादें जो जुड़ी हो, आपको शेयर करनी हो?
फिल्म की यादें तो खैर हर जो लम्हा होता है, स्पेशली पहली पिक्चर का, उसकी यादें जो हैं हमेशा दिल में रहती हैं. और इस फिल्म का एक्सपीरियंस हमारा बहुत अच्छा था. चोपड़ा साहब डायरेक्टर बहुत अच्छे थे, और उसके बाद फॉर्चुनेटली उसी कैंप ने, यश जी ने बेटी को भी मेरी ब्रेक दिया, औरंगजेब का. तो हमारी बहुत लंबी एसोसिएशन है इस चीज़ के साथ, और इट वाज अ वंडरफुल जर्नी.
Wow, nice. So we'll get back to the questions again. So what's your dislikes and likes?
My dislikes, okay. I don't like cold water. I'm not into cold water because I feel very cold. I'm a very warm climate baby. So that's like one of my I don't like the fan. I don't like the AC. I like to be in natural air.
I suffer.
Yeah, she suffers a lot because of that. And my liking, I think more than a liking, I think it's like a passion. Like I can't live without gymming. I have to gym every day. So if I'm not gymming, it's like the biggest turn off for me, and my day will be like a little sulky. I'll be like, no shit, I didn't gym, you know. So that these two things are like very, they're like very prominent about my personality.
Alright, so 5 things without which we cannot leave home.
Obviously my cell phone, because I need to be in touch with her and people who I'm very close to. And I think chapstick, because my lips get very dry. My handbag, which has obviously all my important things, my wallet and my license, driving license. That's very important.
Alright, what good qualities you find in your daughter?
Oh my God. Honesty.
Wow, that's a big thing.
Yeah, she's very honest, and I've never seen her उसको हिंदी में हसद कहते हैं या जेलसी, इस पे हमने कभी नहीं देखा. I have spent a lot of years in this world, और हमने देखा है कि लेडीज़ में हमेशा ये चीज़ एग्जिस्ट करती है थोड़ी थोड़ी किसी फॉर्म में भी. I've never seen it in her. She's never envious of anything. Whatever she has, she's very happy with it, very contented, never wants anybody else's thing, and she's a very grateful person, a daughter, grateful daughter.
Because even I can see both are you so down to earth, and she's so friendly. It's rarely have that qualities inside them. Being a star kid, so I'm lucky actually to take the interview of these two great people.
The basic thing is we should first learn how to be a good human being. Exactly. Only then you can become in life whatever you want to. We're first humans and then something else. And whatever God has given us, we should be grateful to it. कभी कहते हैं इतराना नहीं चाहिए, अकड़ना नहीं चाहिए किसी चीज़ पर भी. It's in His hand. He can put you down to earth any time He wants to. And if you live with this understanding in life, not only you're happy, you make other people happy.
So even I believe. So do you believe in vision?
The Kind of, yes. I mean, I think the biggest vision that any existing power has is God. So he knows what's going on. And I think if you do good things, you will have the vision of positivity. So that's most
And
important.
if your mom is there to help you out, whereas the God is not present, so
Of
she's the
course,
one,
she's
you know.
making all the prayers for me, and she's my good luck charm, and I keep
Wow,
telling
that's
her
so
she's my
nice.
angel. So
All right. So, what upcoming projects you are dealing with?
right now, I'm working on an international single with this really, really creative and wonderful person. Aryan Romali's worked with Pitbull, he's worked with Avicii, with Swedish House Mafia. So they're pretty, amazing people out there who are making great music, and he's been a part of them. So I'm currently working on a track with him, which I've composed, and he's, doing the music for. So I'm very excited about that, and you guys will get to know about it very soon.
We'll be waiting for to see that. Yeah. So, what are your thoughts or ideas, or your feedback on wrong information which are putting on social networking sites?
Oh God, it's happening to everybody. I think as a celebrity, it happens to you. But I also feel that the internet, or the newspaper, or anything which provides you with information has a sense of responsibility, and I think the correct information should be out there. So if it's not the correct information, you should definitely go out and correct it, because you are a public figure. People want to know about you. They want to know your likes, dislikes, where you belong from, who you're related to, what's going on in your life. So that's why, yeah, if it's not correct out there, you should go out and sort it out, because we have a public life, and it's important to have all the right information out there.
Exactly. So, how was the experience when you worked with Arjun Kapoor, the son of Bonnie Kapoor, and it was very. It seems like you had a big fun. So, what experience?
So it was amazing. He's wonderful to act with, very good, very professional, and I had an amazing time, because there were so many other actors in the film as well who are amazing, veteran actors. So overall, the experience was lovely. It was amazing.
Well, we wish all the good luck to you with Filmy Mantra and team. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel Filmy Mantra. इसी तरह लेकर आएंगे हम celebrities and करेंगे उनसे बातें and gossips. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.